Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. Before I started recording this video, my camera was lagging really bad. I'm gonna do this video before my computer, like, totally shits out on me right now. But I am sitting on a mound of stuffed animals right now that I really want to just fucking get rid of so I can make room in my closet. So, let's start off in my box. If you want these, message me, I'll send them to you. A bunny. Hey, young, it's a bunny. It's so soft. It's soft. My cat's been going crazy because I've been throwing stuffed animals over here, so she's been trying to get them. A little lamb. Its partner in crime, another bunny. A doggy with a little bow. This bunny with like a Sacagawea dress on, and I can't get it off it. So this dress comes with it. Yeah, maybe I can get it off. No, I can't get it off. It's like way too. Okay, well, there's that. A turkey. A horse. I have a lot of horses. This black dog. This Odie dog. What the fuck's inside of it? Okay, well, this is Odie on it. Looks like an Odie dog. A lizard! It's a lizard. Lizard. A bulldog with a heart collar. I just really want to get rid of these. This cat. These are all tiny babies, but some of them don't have the thing on it anymore. This old, multicolored brown and black and white cat. This bull. This bat. I had two of them, but I don't know where the other one went. This cat. Bat. Cat. Rat. This bunny. This weird green bear. And this poodle. Really soft. They're all dusty, so I'm sneezing. There, you can have another box to play with. Okay, and then I have this elephant. It's Webkins. A lot of Webkins. I have this bear. It's a soccer bear. It's not Webkins, it's Thai. I have this big pterodactyl. I used to have a little one, but I don't know where it went. My elephant, like my little elephants I gave away. But it's a bigger one, and it has like a star on its ear. Webkins Google. This pink cat. I know I have more somewhere. Way more. This dolphin. This dog. My cat's in that box right now. This lamb. I have two Lassie dogs. Hold on, let me find my other Lassie dog. And I didn't even realize I was sitting on some candy. Okay, well, I have two Lassie dogs somewhere, but I can't find where they are. I'm probably sitting on it. Okay, let me move. Okay. Yep, okay. I have two Lassie dogs. One doesn't have a nose. This really weird green frog thing. I'm not giving this one away, because my sister got me this from Alaska. It's a polar bear. This 2000 with a heart bear. A dinosaur. a weird colored zebra. It's like, it has an orange mane and stuff. This, it's a pillow pad or whatever. I got it from a vending machine from Denny's. Yep. We have this weird pelican thing. My nose is running because I was sneezing and I have dust in my house. Don't worry. A horse. Weird fucking looking horse. Another horse. I used to have a lot of horses. I used to be obsessed with horses. This dog. This pig. Webkinz pig. It was my first Webkinz ever. This Webkinz dog. Wait, no, wait, where is it? Well, I guess it's not Webkinz because it doesn't. Oh, it's right there. Yep. The codes don't work anymore. I really want to give this one away because it's from my ex-boyfriend. It's a Webkinz hippo. A moose. Moose. This bear I got from an ex-boyfriend. It's green. It has a peace bow on it. Another dinosaur. This graduation cat. I just really liked it, so I wanted it. This pink poodle. It's really old. Like, really old. This dragon. Its head's kind of like all fucked up. The shiny wings on it. Oh, and Epic, I haven't sent out your thing yet because my mom's being a total seahole and won't send out my thing yet. This horse that I think I got from my friend Brianna, but I can't remember. I think I got it with like a purse or something. So I kind of want to save this. Any stuffed animal with like sentimental value to me, I'm gonna keep. This dog. My computer's about to die. This dog. I trained my cat how to like dogs with this dog. Like, I used to put him on the ground and go ruff ruff ruff, and she used to stick up her back and go. It's cute. This whale with a Coca-Cola. Yeah, I don't even know. It's butterfree. Butterfly. Butterfree, whatever. This cat. It used to have a rainbow heart on its ass, but the rainbow's coming off. But it's still there. It's not. None of the beads are coming out or anything. Wait. Actually, yeah, this stuffing's coming out. So, if you still want this, you can have it. Otherwise, I'm just going to throw it away. This weird duck, it has no eyes. Because I used to have a dog that used to like to fuck up my shit. This unicorn, I used to have unicorns that used to smell like I can't think of what it is. Oh my god. It's like fluffy. It comes out of a stick. It's fluffy. When you eat it, it like fuck. You get it at like circuses and stuff. I can't think of it right now. That unicorn. This bear. This bunny. This giraffe. I love giraffe. His head's kind of fucked up. This pink dog. This dog. This monkey. This leopard cat. This duck. This elephant. Another elephant that I have. It's a Webkinz. It's right. Where is it? I have so much hard time trying to find that Webkinz thing today. And then this Webkinz cow, which is right here. Webkinz cow. And I believe that's it. for what I found right now. So if you want anything, just get a hold of me. I sound all stuffed up because. Oh wait, I have more stuffed animals over there, but I actually don't have time to get them. My computer's about to die, so. Oh, here he is! I have a lot of Neopets over here. Okay, this is all I found in my corner. You know my little mouse backpack thing, my pepper tree that's over there? I found the little other toy guide one. Yeah, so this is the other guy that I was talking about. Then I have this green Neopet. Green and white Neopet. It has brown stuff on it. I'll wash it, don't worry, if you want it. This dragon, he has brown stuff on him too. I don't even know what it is. I think it's like chocolate or something. Yeah, I think it's chocolate. But I'll wash him. This red dragon, he doesn't have anything on him. He's clean. He's a Neopet. This other, I have so many dragons. This Neopet dragon, he's clean. Yeah, he's clean, but I'll clean him anyway. This dog thing has tape on his ass. And it says Neopets right here. His tail's like metal, so it like doesn't, you know, like, yeah. This dog. And there's a weird cat, dog, dragon thing. I don't even know. Butterfly, dog, dragon thing. I don't even know what it is. Yeah. This other giraffe. And then my guy elephant. And that's all I have that I've found so far. I know I have a lot more. And I sound horrible, but I know I have a lot more. What's this? That's enough. But yeah, I know I have a lot more. Like, way more. But, if you want any of them, just get a hold of me. If I find more, I'll make another video of it. But yeah, that's about it. If you want any of these, you don't have to just take one. You can take as many as you want. I'll send them to you, and since this thing's a pain in my ass, you can have it. Did you? That's cute. Meow, meow again. Meow. 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 She did this little meow purr thing that she does when she wants to wake me up in the morning. Do it. Meow. 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 Again, one more time. Okay, well, you heard her. That was cute. But yeah, if you want anything, you can take more than one. Just get a hold of me. I'll send it out. But also to Epic. I need to send out your stuff. I'm going to send it out today once Bama gets back from a job interview, and I'm also going to send out Shelby 09's. And Ashley, tell me just what you want, because this is getting frustrating for me. Because I need to know what you want so I can send it out. Just text me, because you have my number, so. Bye, guys.